Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2016 JCB 260T Eco. This unit has 2,273 hours on it. I had 3 of these. One had like 1,100 hours, one had 18, and then this one had 22. We just got time here to get it finished, serviced up, ready to go. Machine's in good running, working condition. It's not a new machine. We did paint the track frames, the rollers, and the idlers, and the sprockets. Does have a good 84-inch smooth edge bucket with it. We'll go over this machine, show you everything we know. There's no error codes in it. It is cab heat air, AM FM radio, pilot control. Everything works. The boom is not welded or busted up. It's not a bad machine whatsoever. It's a very affordable track loader. Does have 18-inch wide tracks, does have 2-speed. We're going to start you back here in the engine bay. Back bumper has a couple dings and dents. This back door, when it shuts, that's the way it shuts. Does have a small amount of gap there. And again, I'm just showing you that to be truthful. We did change all the filters and oils in it. Everything is clean and ready to go. And that included the fuel filters. Really found there's no engine oil leaks. This is a 4-cylinder turbo diesel, common rail injected. I do believe these are 84 horsepower, and they do not have a DPF in these units. They do have an EGR valve, but they don't use a DPF. Actually, very good running machine. We had the one we had for a little over 4 months here. We used it, and they really worked very, very well. I'm actually pretty surprised with these machines, how much power they have and how stable they are. They have excellent visibility. The cab is actually in nice shape. This side entrance door is very nice. We did put a new gas shock on. We'll show you all that here in a second. It does have this sliding window. Sprockets are going to be right around 65 to 75%. Tracks are at 50%. Still a lot of running left in them. Both are matched up. 84-inch. That's actually a Bradco bucket who built it for JCB, but I do believe this has a JCB sticker or decal on it somewhere. It did. It is a factory bucket. Auxiliary hydraulics up here. You got a 14-pin. You have your case drain, and you do have 2 half-inch standard couplers. Something come over and got here and did crack this glass. It's nothing. It's hurting anything. I just want to show that. There's no oil leaks on it anywhere that we have found. We're going to go ahead and take you inside the cab here. All the glass is in the cab. Seat's in good shape. It is pilot control. We're good. So, engine warm-up mode, 2273 on the hours. We're going to take you through here. You have a selection of mode for how sensitivity is, or how sensitive it is on the joysticks. I have the auto idle on. There is no error codes anywhere in the machine. Back to hours. So to go on these machines, you're going to push the park brake. This is off. This is off on the joysticks. You have to push 2 buttons and it will release. To engage parking brake back, engage this back, or if you throw your lap bar up, it's going to push everything back. Pattern changer over here is a selection for that. Cab heat air, air all works, heat works. AM FM radio works. Rear view mirror. Again, not a perfect machine, does have 2-speed. I'll go ahead and show you that. Button here on the back side you pull. Then if you take and shut that off, if you pull it twice, everything, so you see that. We're going to shut the 2-speed back off. Double click, it's going to put you into snail mode. Then you can toggle up and down by toggling this button right here. And there you can see 44, 48, 47. There's your different speeds in which you can do that. So everything is here. Again, everything works. This is not a new machine, obviously. A very affordable machine for what we have this price for. I think $38.9. You don't buy much for track loader for that. So we sold the other ones for in the mid-40s, I believe it was. So we're going to fire this machine up. We're going to run around and show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. 2016, 2,272 hours, I believe it was. 18-inch wide tracks. Listen, these machines are very responsive. I have a T770 I've been using. The Bobcat, you'll find, has a little bit of a delay in the joysticks, and I've actually been very used to running it. And I will say this, in these units are very responsive on the joystick. You have to, I don't want to say it this way to sound rude, but you almost could be half an operator. They are very responsive. They have a very good setup when it comes to their joystick setup. I do believe they're Rexroth joysticks. When you go, it goes, it follows you. With the Bobcat, there is a delay in it, so I've noticed that. Very good running working machine. These machines, I think, weigh right around 10.8, Matt. That sounds about right. 84-inch bucket. Very good running working machine. It's not brand new, but if you're looking for an affordable track skid loader, here's something to take a look at. I do believe they have 23 gallons a minute on their standard flow circuit. Set up and ready to go. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. We do feel mechanically it is a very good loader. It's got scratches, it's got scrapes, typical of a used track skid loader, but we're just being honest. Mechanically, very good running working machine. Typical JCBs, all three of them that we had, or three of them including this one that we had, you will have a little wee bit of side play in those booms. Very typical, all of them are that way. I did put the new boom stops on this one down at the front, so that was taken care of. So, got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.